What's up, SV Squad, and welcome back to another video. Now, as you can see, you only see me here, and I've wanted to do this for the longest time since I got hooked onto Sass ASMR's videos. Now, if you're new to our channel and you're watching us for the first time and you've come here in hopes to find an ASMR that makes you fall asleep, this isn't the one for you. This is my first time. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, just trying it out because of curiosity, and it looks so much fun. So thank you for Sass ASMR for giving me the idea. But apparently it's been around for years now. ASMR actually stands for Autonomy Sensory Meridian Response. Now, it's a part in our brain that triggers when it hears certain sounds, and apparently it's meant to make you feel good, make you relaxed, and I don't know, some other stuff. But I really hate smacking sounds. When people smack like that really pisses me off. And guess what I'm doing today? I'm going to be smacking for everyone. But I have grown to like the smacking sound because of Sass ASMR's videos. So if you want to virtually slap me, then comment down below with a slap, because prior to, I couldn't stand the smacking sounds. It really frustrates me when I hear someone smack. And Siosi is the worst for it. So, but without further ado, I'm going to get into this video. Don't be too harsh on me, guys. It's my first time and it'll probably be my last time, but I just wanted to try it out. So don't mind my rookie mistakes. I'm not going to be talking much because I don't really know what I'm doing. I've got some honey here. I wish I could get this out. Sick of it now. I don't think I can finish this. This is a very unprofessional, informal ASMR. Okay, I cannot finish it. I'm sorry, guys. It's just too much. It's too sweet. Alright guys, so that was my ASMR. It's definitely not what it looks like through the camera. I honestly do not know how she gets through all of those honeycombs. It looks like I did eat a lot of it, but I actually didn't, because the honeycombs itself is just a shell and the honeys were filled in it, but most of the honey had come out into the container. I completely failed at that. I'm so sorry. I like these little ball things that I went and bought. And I don't know guys, comment down below how you thought I did for a beginner. I don't know. I think only Sass ASMR can get away with it. But to me, honestly, I just want to bore my own wuku listening to that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, if you were watching, and I hope that you like and subscribe. If you're new to our channel, welcome. You'll probably see another challenge or another video coming from us soon, but stay on the lookout for it. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!